In this video, you will learn about the write function in Microsoft Excel. The write function is used to extract text from the end of strings. By the end of this video, you will be able to extract specific characters from the end of any text using this function. Here is the syntax for the write function. It starts with an equals sign, followed by the word write, then an opening parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, there are two arguments, text and number underscore chars. The text argument is the text string from which you want to extract characters. The number underscore chars argument is the number of characters to extract from the right side of the text string. This argument is optional, and if omitted, the function will default to one character. Let's walk through a basic example of the write function. In the formula box, the formula is equals write, open parenthesis, Excel 2024, 4, close parenthesis. Here, we are using the write function to extract the last four characters from the text, Excel 2024. The result in the result box is 2024. Let's see how the write function works with data in an Excel table. We have a table with three columns, A, B, and C. Column A contains product codes, column B contains the formula, and column C displays the last three characters extracted using the formula. For example, in the first row, the product code is prod-abc-001. The formula applied is equals write, open parenthesis, A2, 3, close parenthesis, which extracts the last three characters from cell A2, resulting in 001. Similarly, the last three characters are extracted from item-xyz-205 and code-def-999. Let's explore more examples of how to use the write function. In the first example, we are extracting the file extension from the text document.pdf using the formula equals write, open parenthesis, document.pdf, 3, close parenthesis, which returns PDF. In the second example, we are getting the last word from the text hello world using the formula equals write, open parenthesis, hello world, 5, close parenthesis, which returns world. In the third example, we extract the last four digits of the phone number 555-123-4567 using the formula equals write, open parenthesis, 555-123-4567, 4, close parenthesis, which returns 4567. In the fourth example, we get the year from the date 12/25/2024 using the formula equals write, open parenthesis, 12/25/2024, 4, close parenthesis, which returns 2024. Here are some common use cases for the write function. You can use it to extract file extensions from file names. Another use case is to extract identification numbers, such as the last digits from product codes. The write function can also be used to extract date components like years from date strings. Lastly, you can extract the last digits of phone numbers with it. Here are a couple of important tips and notes about using the write function. Remember, if the number underscore chars argument is greater than the length of the text, the write function will return the entire text string. Here is a pro tip. You can use the write function in combination with the len function to extract a dynamic number of characters from the end of a text string. To summarize, the write function extracts characters from the end of text strings, making it perfect for data extraction tasks. The formula for the write function is equals write, open parenthesis text, number underscore chars close parenthesis. Congratulations, you have now mastered the write function. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.